Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you are watching another great episode of Garage Talk. Now, I told you there was multiple big announcements. This is number 2. And you might be going, Thomas, well, why do you have a 3D printer on the workbench? Well, if you didn't see the other video, announcement number 1, I'm going to link that above, where we talked about the film canisters and the keychains and the other cool things that we're going to start manufacturing for Get Out Arizona. You should check that out. Now, as content creators, we're always on the move. We've got film to pay for, gas to pay for park passes, you know, the tire's flat on the mountain bike, or something happened to the adventure motorcycle, the Ibex, which her name's Penelope. All that stuff costs money, and so we have to be, you know, industrious individuals here, just like every content creator does, okay? We're gonna have stickers come in, shirts come in, all kinds of fun stuff, and that stuff, you know, through your support, will fund our adventures, continue to fund our adventures. So this happens to be the printer that I chose through tons of research. Before we go any further, I want to let you guys know I am not sponsored by Bambu Labs, paid for it with my own money, okay? We'll talk more about that here in a little bit. And one of the channels that I did watch quite a little bit is Faux Hammer. I'm gonna link that down below. That dude's hilarious, okay? He's from the UK, don't hold that against him, all right? He's funny, he's got that dry Monty Python humor. And what I liked about him is just an average dude, all right? Figuring it out, 3D printers, all the different brands and everything like that. So I was able to watch a lot of his reviews to get a good overall scope and picture. And ultimately, I chose Bambu Labs. Now, after I purchased, we already have one, got it up and running, easy use, was fantastic. We'll do more of a review video on that to come, but I could tell you the ecosystem's amazing, okay? Between the Bambu Studio for all the slicing, between MakerWorld for finding a bunch of great individuals that are sharing their work and their creativity, all of it very, very user-friendly. I could print from the phone, I could print from the computer, I can design in Tinkercad and then just export an STL file and then boom, right into friggin' the studio and then print it. The thing I like about this one, I would refer to this one, and this is the P2S as the Toyota Tacoma of their lineup. Now, some of you might have heard me say that before about certain cameras or other gear, and that's because I love the Tacoma. It's no BS, okay? It's gonna get you in, get you out. Not a lot of lipstick on that pig, but that pig will never leave you stranded. If you get hungry, you can always eat it for bacon. No, I'm joking, guys. But that's what this one is. It just works. Now, the AMS with what your filament is going to be held in and feed into the printer is actually inside here because this is the AMS P2S combo. You can hold 4 different color filaments, but with this particular model, you can actually connect 3 more, 1, 2, 3, for a total of 16 colors. Now, I've done some multicolor prints, obviously here, but ones that were 4 color, and it works very well. It just generates a little bit of waste. We refer to it as poop, and it shoots out the back, and one of the first things you're gonna print is a little poopy holder, okay? And it works. Are there models that are larger than this that print multicolor more efficiently? Yes. They're about 4 times as expensive too, okay? Don't need anything like that. Need something reliable that's gonna work and do what it just needs to do with a little bit of maintenance. I've already changed out the hot end. They refer to it as the hot end because I'm printing with the carbon fiber filament, so you need something a little bit more robust. It took 5 minutes, and the machine itself recognized the change, and I verified it in, you know, the studio, and then that was it. So far, everything about this experience has been positive. Easy to use, so far easy to maintain, and with such a great community, there's been plenty of people I could reach out to, all right, and say, hey, I've got this question, or even better, just search, and someone's already asked it. Okay, 9 times out of 10, I don't think there's really a question I've had that somebody hasn't already asked. So I've been using the Bambu Lab filament. Figured, hey, why not? It's got the RF tag. It has all the filament information, color, flow, temperature, all that good stuff. This is about as close to plug and play as you're gonna get for 3D printing, I think, than with any other machine. Now, I remember when 3D printing first came out, that and resin printing, and it was voodoo magic. You had to know CAD, you had to know Fusion, you had to know all this stuff. It was just really laborious. And now they've simplified it for us knuckle draggers. Okay, so easy, even a hooligan can use it. And I'm glad, I'm appreciative, because so far we've been able to come up with a lot of cool stuff, which you guys are gonna see more of here in the next several weeks. So again, next evolution, now you might be asking, Thomas, are you guys gonna turn into a 3D printing channel? No. Okay, there's probably going to be some updates every once in a while. Hey, here's the new thing, maybe show you a time lapse of it, and it's going to have its own little playlist. You know, you can check that stuff out. But one of the things, just like with, I'll use Pete Lindgren, okay? He's got a great YouTube channel. He's got a great daily vlog channel and everything, and I'll leave the link down below. That guy's been doing YouTube for, I think, a decade now, okay? He's actually, you know, done some mini docs and everything, but what he started doing lately, he started 3D printing to make his life easier. But then he realized, hey, I could share some of these things with, you know, people who watch the channel. Everybody uses a fork. So when the person who invented the fork, they just didn't invent it for themselves, they invented it for everybody, okay? So that's kind of how I look at it. So he's a really good example too. Donna, okay? He's been showing some shorts and some stuff lately, how he's 3D printed some items to make his life easier as well. So it's one of the facets of different channels, and it's going to have different use cases. Obviously, I do photojournalism, you know, for a living as well. So the film canisters for the film cameras I shoot was a no-brainer. But the other things we're going to start making too for the mountain bikers and road bikers and backpackers and stuff, that just goes along with the rest of the channel mantra for outdoor life and everything. So I think it's going to be a really fun journey. I'm really excited to share everything with you. Again, we've already got some great designs and everything like that. And yeah, don't worry, no print farming. This isn't gonna just, you know, all of a sudden evolve into something else, but it's a great way for us to come up with new items. It's a great way for us to share these items with you, obviously sell them, and keep that adventure going, you know, because, you know, it's one of those things. Everything costs, and you guys know as well as I do, these days they're costing a little bit more than what they used to. So, and if we can offer you guys something in return for that support too, something functional that you can use, that's just, you know, a bonus there, icing on the cake. So, all right, my friends, what do we always say at this point? You know, like, subscribe, bell notification icon, helps out the channel, helps out the video. We got some links down below for some great people, Trek Bicycle Stores of West Phoenix, Street Graphics, and Photo Forum. Follow those guys, gals, show them some love. They help us keep us on the trail, on the street, you know, so we ask that you support them as well. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work, okay? But it's necessary to get the word out for Get Out Arizona. We have group rides, we have group hikes all the time. The only thing missing from those activities is you guys, seriously. It's always more fun when we can share it with a friend. We have the affiliate link down below to Amazon. Follow that link, you make a qualifying purchase, we receive a small commission, okay? But you're not charged anything additional. And it helps out with park pass money, gas money, and coffee money, the other trifecta we love so much out as far as here at Get Out Arizona. Now, again, I do want to be very clear. I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by Bambu Labs. So, and to be honest with you guys, dude, what do I know about 3D printing? Okay, I've been doing it for maybe 2 months now, okay? But I've learned a lot, trust me. I've lost a lot of sleep staying up to learn this stuff. So, and I'm here to tell you it's a lot of fun. Not for everybody, okay? But it's a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to seeing where this next part of the adventure takes us. So on that note, my friends, we love you to death. Remember, be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on the trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure. Take care, everybody.